guys? It is your boy Rich. Coming back with another little video. I'll show you guys the parts, what I have waiting, what I have still coming, and plans and kind of thing. As you can tell right here, this is a vibrant resonator, K-tuned turned on muffler. This is 3-inch stainless steel piping, straight pipe from True Bends. I know a lot of people ask about these. I had it before. I bought this for my last TSX, about 2.5-inch. It was pretty nice, but the fitment wasn't perfect, so you do have to chop things up. So I was supposed to get my exhaust done, try to get it done this weekend or whatever. I fell through. Maybe I'm gonna get it done this week, which is gonna be nice. I got my PLM headers right here, test pipe obviously because it comes with it, and I have my whole exhaust set up, so that's gonna be fun. A lot of noises. It's gonna be a lot of noises like all these cars going by. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty loud. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be breathing really good. I'm sure it's gonna sound good. Right here, hybrid racing, clutch master cylinder, and slave. The EM1 clutch master cylinder. Kinda gonna help with the delay. Removes the delay valve. Helps with like bogging and like shifting notchiness and whatnot. I guess this is kind of like the best OEM type one to go. Got braided line and whatever to pair with it. So I got that to put on. I also have like ball joints. I'm gonna be putting out my BC coils. Should be coming in maybe within 2 weeks or so. I've been waiting already for a little over 3 weeks, so yeah. Wait time was 3 to 5 weeks, so should be soon, guys. So once that goes on, I'll be doing my ball joints and coils at the same time, cause it's much needed. With the PLM header, I heard people have like fitment issues trying to put the thing together because it's like sleeved in instead of like, you know, bolted together with some flanges or whatever. You're gonna see this video before me doing like the whole exhaust thing. That video might be next. I'm supposed to do my power steering pump, but I've been like procrastinating on doing that, even though it's a pretty easy job. Yeah, let me open this up, show you guys how it's going here. So I brought you guys down a little bit. You already know, shout out to our sponsors Heel Toe, because they hooked me up with this for a great price. As always, go shop at Heel Toe, guys. Go support a great company in our community. Shop with them, guys. I know a lot of you heads know about them already. Shout out to Marcus, man. Good old test pipe right here. First glances, honestly, I mean, they don't look too bad. I mean, for like the price, you can't go wrong, I guess. Like, obviously, people have problems with them cracking at places and whatnot. A lot of the little cheaper headers are gonna have like issues like I did with my DC Sport headers because of the flex plate. It looks decent. It looks like it's kind of a yacht to slip it in. We shall see how this goes. Need to get a dollar for this thing. Oh my god, there's a nick right there. Let's take a look at this fitment people were talking about. So the O2 goes on this side. Guys, how the fuck does this work? Like, am I supposed to like bend these out? Like, what the fuck? Yo guys, I am like dead confused how the fuck this works. This is how it would go. Alright guys, so we're gonna move on to boxing some of the exhaust parts. I honestly don't know what the fuck is going on with the PLM headers, man. Like, the fitment, I'm not understanding how this is supposed to fit. No fucking idea. I should have went with Weapon R, to be honest. Literally 2 days ago, or like 2 or 3 days ago, I seen someone made a post about the fitment on these and how much like he was struggling to get this on. And I was not looking forward to it. I was hoping like it wasn't gonna be as bad, but this seems like bad. I don't even understand this slip-on thing, but Let's open up this vibrant resonator. What the fuck, this thing is. Dude, what the hell? Yeesh. This thing is fucking huge, guys. God damn. Oh lord. I didn't expect it to be this fucking like thick. We'll see. We'll see, cause I don't know. Dude, I don't remember these fuckers being this huge. God damn. This is basically like the resonator, but the resonator just seems so beefy, guys. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up on the video if you guys like the video. If you're excited for the build and what has yet to come. I'm really pushing to get the TSX far. Just make her nice, do a really clean build, and do it better than the last. Damn, guys, this looks real nice. JK, guys, JK. Yeah, this thing's nice, guys. Pretty fucking beefy too. Like, this car is gonna be loud whenever it actually gets done, you know? With this header issue right now, I am literally kind of confused. How am I even gonna get it done? So I got some more parts coming too, and like I mentioned, the coils. I actually bought RRC from very own Kyoto Auto, man. Gave me a good deal on it, and shout out to them, you know, being a great sponsor for this build, guys. I'm gonna have to order a J37 throttle body, different intake tubing to fit that, which I'm gonna go with this eBay one instead of this Sam whatever. I forgot what the brand is called, but it shit costs like 200 bucks for the intake tube. So I'm gonna unbox this exhaust for you guys. And I'll show you the layout. I'm really disappointed with the PLM header. The fitment is really trash. Like, I'm trying to fit it and I need to bend it, pull it 3-4 different directions at the same time to make it fit. Like, it literally doesn't make any sense. Really as fuck. Yeah, that's my mistake, guys. Maybe I'm gonna try to like do a video or seeming like if I can put it on or figure out a way how to put it on, but I'm definitely not going to take it out of this wrapping because it is like oiled and greased up to preserve it and whatnot. Something just flew in here. So guys, I'll show you how. That's basically how it's gonna be. You know, on the back, all this, the resonator, and probably put in that flex plate. I couldn't find that anything that was 3-inch. I went ahead and just got 2.5-inch, which is supposed to go off the headers, but these things don't, they don't fit too good. So I'm really disappointed, guys. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. Talking to Marcus currently. Maybe I'm gonna swap it out. Maybe it's good content, but I don't know. I really don't want to struggle with this shit because it's really bad. But nonetheless, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't know if this is gonna be like the final bits of everything right now. But yeah, this is just kind of a video of unboxing my parts, kind of showing what I'm about to have going on, what's up and coming, and what you guys, you know, looking forward to. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and you know, just stay tuned because it helps out the algorithm, helps us grow. Almost at 1,700 subscribers and almost monetized, guys. We're so close, so help me out, enjoy, giveaway once I get monetized. So peace out.